Yes, Canva has a new tool that automatically generates captions on your videos. This tool is called Captions and is available only on video and social media doc types. So I'm gonna create a video documenting here. I'm gonna go for the first option. From here, I'm going to upload because I want to upload a new video to this document. So uploads and then upload files. Here's the video I want to upload. So I select it and then click open. You're gonna wait until your video is fully uploaded and then you're gonna click on it to bring it to your design. Once your video is on your design, you're going to the left panel and click on text. From here, you will see a new section called Dynamic Text, and Captions is here. So you're gonna click on this button, and from here you are going to select the video that you want to add captions to. So I only have one video in this design, and that's why you can only see one video. This one is already selected, and all you have to do is simply click on Generate Captions. I'm gonna leave this process in real time so you can see how fast it works. These captions are ready. They actually took just a couple of seconds, and this video, for reference, is 27 seconds long. And let me show you how these captions look. Let me show you how I edited this video, inserting full screen videos and photos while maintaining the audio from the main video. What do you think about these captions? I believe they look great and they are actually super accurate. Now, let me show you how you can customize these captions. You can select the caption from here and you will see a menu appearing on top. From here, you can change the fonts. So let me change it here. I'm gonna use a different font, so pay attention to the caption. I'm gonna go for Poppins. This new font has been applied, and the cool thing is that, let me just play the video one more time so you can see the captions. The font has been applied to all the captions in the video. Let me show you something else, because you can also adjust the size. This one will be applied to all the different captions in the video. You can change the color. So if I click here, you see that all the captions now are in green. And you can also play around with the other settings in this menu. You can also change the position of your captions. So what if you want to have these captions in the middle of the screen or maybe on top of the video? You can just move them and all the captions in the video will be in the same position. Now, what if you want to give a different aspect or different effect to your captions? You're gonna go again to select the captions. Let me change here the color of the text for a yellow color, and then let's go to effects. From here we have the background effect applied, and that's why we have this purple background. So if you want to change the color here, you simply select this color option and you can change it from here. You can also add transparency to it. You can adjust the spread and the roundness of this box. Or if you are not interested in having this style, you can change it for any other effect in here. So another pretty popular one is outline. So let me try this one. And I'm gonna add a black thick outline to this text. This one is actually a very popular style. So let me show you how this one looks. Let me just decrease a little bit the thickness. And why not add a little bit of letter spacing? Let me show you how this looks. Let me show you how I edited this video, inserting full screen videos. And something else that you can customize on these captions is the text. So let's go again and click the caption. This time you are going to click on the captions button and you will see that there is a window appearing on the left. If there is anything that you would like to adjust, you simply are going to click on any of these lines and start typing the word that you want to change. You can also add a return in between lines. lines. So you see that now my caption is broken into 2 different lines. And then let me go further ahead. I can also change this one. So this one is this line here, and I want to break it into 2 lines from here. And you can also delete lines from the caption. So when you hover on these lines, you will see this trash can icon. If you want to delete one of these lines, you simply click here. Or if you want to delete all the captions, you're gonna click on this button. Now, once you have your captions customized, you can download this video. So you're gonna go to share, and from here, click download. Select MP4 video, or you could also download this as a GIF. But if you want to have the audio on your video, you're gonna select MP4 and then hit download. Something important to mention here is that as these captions are auto-generated, there is no way to adjust the timing. But I do hope that in the future we will be able to adjust these timings. And having said so, I want to show you that you need to be careful if you start trimming your video after adding these captions. So let me show you here this example. I'm gonna play the video and pay attention to the captions. So in here I say, let me show you how I edited this video inserting. So I'm gonna trim the video until second 9 and now play again. Inserting. Okay, so you see that the captions are not really synced to what I'm saying. So let me play. Inserting full screen videos and photos while maintaining. It doesn't really make sense. They are not synced. So there is a simple solution to this. Let me go back. So instead of trimming the video the way I did, so just trimming from the beginning and dragging this timeline to the right, you're going to position your mouse where you want to trim or split your videos. So let me go. Let me show you how I edited this video inserting. Let's say that I want to split the video here, and you can right click, split page, or simply hit the key S. Now let me delete page 1 and play from the beginning of this section of the video. Full screen videos and photos while maintaining. Something cool that I want to show you here is that you can apply these captions to different languages. So I just showed you an example in English, but let me show you this video here, which is in Spanish. And we just have to go again to text, captions, and from here, as you can see, we have now 2 videos in the same document. So we're gonna make sure that you select the video that you want to add the captions to, and then generate captions. As you were able to see, these took, I guess, like 1 or 2 seconds. And now let me play this second video, which is in Spanish. Todo lo vamos a hacer con una cuenta gratis de Canva, así que si están interesados en este tutorial, vámonos a mi computador. These captions are almost perfect, and there is only one little thing that we need to adjust. So I say here at the end of the video, vamos a mi computador. A mi computador instead of a computadora. But as I already told you, you can customize this. So selecting the caption, going to captions, and I just need to change here the text, and that's it. My video is ready. Vámonos a mi computador. Captions is available to Canva free accounts, but if you are using a Canva free account, you won't be able to change the font for a brand font. And of course, Captions is also available to accounts that are pro, for teams, for enterprises and education. And now let's talk about the limitations. Captions is not supported on audio, only on video files. And this tool works best on speaking rather than singing or music. And now let me show you the languages that are currently supported. We have Arabic, Chinese simplified, English, Australian, British, and US. We have French and French Canadian, German, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Brazilian, Spanish from the US, Latam, and Spain. We also have Thai and Turkish. And I do hope, really hope that they increase in the amount of languages supported pretty soon. Let me know if there is any particular language that you would like to see on this tool. And to learn more about Canva, you can check our Canva Master course. You can scan this QR code here on the screen. You can also click on this card, or you can find the link in the description of this video. And I'm also leaving here a tutorial that I'm sure you are going to love. I think this is it for this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!